Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Cadillac Escalade. Start by sketching the overall silhouette with light strokes, marking wheel centers and roofline, then block in the hood, grille, and window shapes. Use a ruler for straight edges, refine the wheel arches, add headlight and grille details, and progressively darken final lines. Finish with shading and chrome highlights to convey volume and reflective surfaces in your SUV drawing. Start by dividing the side view into thirds to place doors, windows, and wheel positions accurately, maintaining the Escalade's tall, boxy profile. Use the wheel diameter as a repeating unit to gauge door height and ground clearance. Draw construction lines lightly and correct proportions before adding details like grille bars and lamp shapes. Keep details simplified until the proportions feel right. Then commit to darker lines and subtle shading for a realistic finish. Focus on signature elements like the grille, headlights, and wheel design to convey a Cadillac Escalade identity in your drawing. Keep shapes simplified and consistent. Use tapered strokes for chrome reflections and tiny highlights on glass to imply gloss. Build shadow in layers, blending smoothly to show curved fenders and hood reflections. Finally, refine line weights to separate foreground details and add contrast where light meets metal to make the SUV pop visually.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.